Alright, the crew is about to try some authentic street mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice is one of my favorite desserts of all time, but I've never tried the famous mango sticky rice from Thailand, so I heard a lot of good things about it. But yeah, I'm about to try it at one of these markets. I've been getting it a lot of times on these trips, but basically the key is to go to a night market or one of many markets that they have around Bangkok, Thailand. There is many to choose from. The dessert dish is basically sticky rice that's usually bland, topped with some nice and sweet, delicious coconut condensed milk or banana condensed milk, topped with the ripest and yellowest mangoes that Thailand has to offer. And yeah, it's just a real contrast in flavors. It's a real explosion in your mouth, which is why it makes it one of my favorite desserts, because it's not like those typical just super sweet desserts. There's a real twist to it, and yeah, we're about to try it right now. Alright, so we're finally in our room, and we got this mango sticky rice to ourselves right here. Could open it. And we're going to taste it and see if authentic Thailand sticky rice with mangoes is worth it. Drum roll, please.
I don't know what to...
The most crucial part, pouring the perfect amount of coconut or banana milk on top of your mango sticky rice. Depending on how your sweet tooth level is, you might want to adjust. Now we're going to try it.
I've never had this before. I've never had this.
Sticky rice. Here's the mango. Oh my goodness.
Is it good? I don't know. I don't have a reference, a taste of like.
Tastes much better than one in America. Well, the mango is like just good.
Is it supposed to taste sweet?
Sticky rice is just amazing. Sticky rice is really good. And the mango is very good as well. Definitely better than the ones they give you after the Thai restaurants in America. But they're all good. This one's just amazing. There you have it. It's definitely worth it. The hype is real. Okay. Here you go. So we're gonna try the mango sticky rice at Khao Road and tell you guys what I think. Wow, this mango sticky rice is better than the first one. It's really delicious. Definitely a must try.